that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Then we hustle, but the night boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.
Dus dit is slightly. Jumper temperature now on the stone to 90. Stickers we've got inside. Showing 200 on the outside, the door was open for quite a long while. The bottom, only a couple of charcoals running there. Now important, like any bread you'll do in the oven, we give it half an hour. And don't open the door before the half an hour is over, because you're going to ruin it. It will come out perfect. I'll check in half an hour and I'll show you the proof. These up here. Okay, 28 minutes, going on 29. You can actually smell the bread. So I'm going to take it out now. Oh goodness gracious. Ladies and gentlemen, how beautiful is that? I'm with you. Oh.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys, know that they fly.